They say that knowledge is power. With the Ridgid SeekTech SR-20, you'll know more about the signal than with any conventional receiver, so you'll have the power to get to the point fast for accurate locates you can trust. The SR-20's large backlit screen features a mapping display with a tracing line that shows you the target signal's location and direction. And thanks to the SR-20's Omni-Directional antenna system, this line maintains its position no matter how the receiver is aligned with the signal, which makes it easy to find, target, and trace the utility. This tracing line is just one of 3 completely independent signal readings. If the line is sharp and agrees with the other readings, you can be confident the signal has little or no distortion. But if the line is distorted or does not agree with the other readings, you'll know you're dealing with a distorted signal. With the SR-20, you get the information you need so you can locate with confidence.